What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Favel. In today's video, guys, we do have an update on Ontology, also known as ONT, which has pumped up over 28% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at 31 cents, guys. So as you guys can see, it was worth about just under 25 cents and right now has taken quite of a major pump. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up that much. Is it going to crash back down in value, or is it going to keep pumping? And is this a project that you should look out for going into 2024? And if so, how high can it go? And is it a crypto worth investing into, or is it too late? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, as you guys can see, this is a critical moment for Ontology, as it has broken out from the red zone into the green zone earlier this morning, and the last time it was trading in the green zone was all the way back in about April earlier this year. So let's hide the Fibonacci scale and bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And as you guys can see, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value than the purple line here. That is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Ontology, which is here at just below 25 cents. And that also means that it is overvalued right now, so it does have a chance to crash back down below 26 cents, but we'll get into that later on in the video. For now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep, guys. Reason for that is because of the major pump that's taken place. However, I'm not expecting it to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace, and the fact that it is looking this steep means it's not realistic. So essentially, over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Ontology to have dropped back down to around 26 to 27 cents. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting Ontology to be trading at. So yes, an overall drop in value is what is expected. However, that does not mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, potentially up to 33-34 cents before it slowly starts to drop back down to around 26-27 cents towards the end of the day today. So do expect it to be quite volatile. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what do we have here? The blue and the orange line are still looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, as you guys can see here. Exact same reason as the previous chart, the 30-minute chart. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of next week, Ontology, once again, I'm expecting it to have dropped back down in value, down to about 25 cents, back to where it was trading at, is where I'm expecting it to be dropping down to. Exact same reason. It is overvalued, it's gone up, it's pumped up in value out of nowhere and gone for a huge increase in value, which means the crypto right now is overvalued. So it is only right for it to step back down a little bit, go back to its value where it was trading at, to about 25-26 cents towards the end of next week, and then from then onwards it does have the potential to slowly and steadily increase in value. So all in all, do expect Ontology to go through a price correction over the coming week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue line is still looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction. However, the orange line is looking much more better, as in cleaner, so it's not looking as steep, so it's looking slanting towards a positive direction, meaning minimal increases in value are expected from Ontology over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So around February, March next year, the crypto should be heading to around 40 to 45 cents, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting it to be heading towards. However, this does not mean that it's going to randomly pump up out of nowhere to that value. It is, because that's not going to be sustainable. Just like what's happened here, this isn't sustainable. That is why I'm expecting it to drop back down in value before it slowly starts to gain value. So essentially over the next 2 to 3 months, Ontology should slowly and steadily gain value, so that I don't know how many times I said value in the last minute, but yeah, it should slowly and steadily gain value so that it reaches about 40 to 45 cents by the first quarter of 2024, and potentially heading to over 50 cents by mid next year is what I'm expecting. However, if there are any major changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major pump or a major crash or anything like that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we have broken out from the red zone into the green zone, and we did not resist at all. It's literally just broken out, and that is one of the other reasons why I'm expecting it to drop back down into the red zone over the coming week, because if it's getting out of the the red zone, it should at least resist for 1 or 2 days and then potentially break out and head into the green zone. So yes, I'm expecting the crypto to head into the green zone in the first quarter of 2024 and potentially head into the dark green zone here in the second quarter of 2024. We should be able to see Ontology trading in around this value here and potentially hitting 50 cents towards mid to end of next year. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see that the trading volume has gone up over 2,200%, guys, making it $227 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading. Reason for that is it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, or the second top gainer according to Binance, meaning it is getting a lot of attention right now and a lot of hype around it from both buyers and sellers point of view. So it is getting a lot of traction and a lot more people are buying and selling the crypto. So if any of you guys are trading the crypto, let me know in the comment section down below. Are you guys buying it or are you guys selling it? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are actually trading it. And also let me know what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And my highest prediction for the crypto is to hit the dollar mark in 2024. It's going to be towards the very end of next year, but if the crypto market does manage to stay on the green side, which I am expecting it to do so, they should be able to hit the dollar mark, meaning it should be hitting a new all-time high. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Ontology. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.